Today's video is all about preventing air conditioner casualties on many levels, both on protecting the equipment, but also on protecting yourself by not cutting corners, because it's very easy to think that, oh, well, I'll just get this done real
Welcome
quick.
back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
Right at the subscribe button,
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
I backed up on the roof this morning to take care of this fan. I had fixed the baffle the other day, and I did not want to take a chance on this thing, so I need to at some point get up here to redo that, but I'm going to save that for a non-summer job. I'm going to pull the lid off here and I was tempted to cut corners and just jump in and replace take the screw off, but it's important to practice safety, and it's a lot safer to pull the disconnect. That way the unit doesn't turn on you, and discharge the capacitor. That way you don't get a jolt. All right, I'll discharge the fan capacitor as well for safety, and then I've got some washers here. This one, this kind of time for a new deal, but it's still alive, so I'm going to survive another summer. This looks like washers deeper down. Looks like that one's holding pretty good. I'm going to take a blind one here and use this under the fan motor just to help add a little warmth. Take the edge off of the motor. That way it doesn't put more weight on it when I pop this deal off. Also want to make sure my through bolt doesn't move. So one time years ago, maybe 8 years ago, I went to do this. It's a similar deal. Yeah, a washer there, and undid the bolt here, and I was about to put the washer on, and the through bolt fell straight through. I was like, oh no. I ended up having to take the whole lid on and redo the whole thing. Something to be aware of. There's the nut there that sits further down. There's 2 washers here. Locking washers. I'm going to take this washer here and put it right on in. Okay. Yeah, much better. Yes. Survive. Is it perfect? No. Better than it was? Yes. Line up just right. Yeah, it's got the other cap here, and that bolt fits just right. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, next one. Same thing. I switch positions of my line now. Not that it's doing a whole lot, but it's just a little extra. Holding the motor up so it doesn't lean and put more pressure than we want on this deal. Good. Just making it stronger. Last a little bit. Good. And now the bolt. And the bolt lines up much better too. Alright. Go ahead and add this one to this one. Kind of started, you can see a crack starting. So we'll just get ahead of it. This way it doesn't go wrong on us. I like these old units. A lot of people, I don't know, some people have faulted me for repairing them this way, but to me they just hold up so much better than the newer units. They're easier to get to the compressor. Fan motor changes are reasonable, just all around. See how much stronger it is already. Done deal. We're all fixed up now. Now I'll go ahead and plug the disconnect back in, and then I'll push the contactor in. Again, I gotta come back another time and reset that, or probably can just shorten the wiring back to here and redo that, but I want to save that for a cooler weather. It's brutal up here, and I still got a full day of other things to get to, so schedule that. Okay, we're plugged back in, and now we're going to test it out. Push the contactor in. Nice. A little wobble, but it's running good. At least that's gonna keep it alive now. Done deal. Thanks for watching. Finished the unit, putting it back together, and it turned on its own. So again, that's why we practice safety over disconnect. It would suck to have one of those bolts out and the motor turn on, or anything along those lines. Just never know. It's good to practice safety and not cut corners. And save your life, or spare your life, or limbs, or or experiences. All right, good deal. Looking good. That's running good, and all my fan baffle screws are holding good as well. So let's stay alive. It's supposed to be 117 on Friday. All right.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should find a bunch of different videos that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Also, there's links in the description below the videos to tools and parts used in the videos.